Namaskar and welcome to yet another year of Kiducation. Your child has joined Podar Jumbo Kids, which is one of the most parent-preferred preschool kindergarten chain in this country. At Podar Jumbo Kids, we sometimes don't like to call it a preschool because when we say preschool, we are only preparing your child for school, whereas the kindergarten years are the brain development years. 98% of your child's brain develops in these important years. So at Podar Jumbo Kids, while we teach your children to read, write, count, do their numbers, phonics and all that, we also help focus on how they can develop their impulse control, self-regulation, how they can think for themselves, how they can learn to become more independent. Because after all, when your child goes to primary school or high school, it's these skills that will help your child become a winner, become an achiever. This year, you can look forward to two very important things at Podar Jumbo Kids. Number one is the inclusion of Symphonics, which is a phonic-based curriculum. It's going to start from the nursery class. Your children will get the basic foundation in phonics, which will help them become better English speakers, better writers in English. When we say writers, they're not going to write a book, but definitely they're going to write in a book. And phonics is also going to help them become better speakers. They will learn how to pronounce the English words correctly. After all, that's the aim of every parent. So, welcome to Symphonics at Podar Jumbo Kids. The teachers are definitely going to be trained in that, and the teachers are going to become your partners throughout this year. If you have any feedback to give us about the teachers, about the curriculum, feel free always to write to us on talktous@podar.org. We will support you wherever in the country your child is attending a Podar Jumbo Kids. The second important change, the second important infusion into Podar Jumbo Kids this year is very important for us. It's the introduction of the EYFS curriculum of Great Britain, UK. EYFS stands for Early Years Foundation Stage. We studied a lot of curriculums from around the world, from Australia, from China, from New Zealand, from Singapore, and we found that the EYFS, Early Years Foundation Stage, is very well suited to the needs of the Indian child and the Indian parent. EYFS has 7 important skills that will be developed in your child. As you can see in the next screenshot, these are the skills that will be developed. All-round development of your child, be it communication, physical skills, literacy, numeracy, mathematics, and even technology and creative expression are all ingrained now, equally balanced into our Jumbo Kids curriculum. And the most important aspect of EYFS is the assessments. The new portfolios that you will receive will help you understand your child better based on our teachers' observations of your child. So there will be observations documented in the portfolio file with work samples, etc. So we are very excited about the EYFS curriculum. In fact, I went to the House of Commons a few months back to speak about Jumbo Kids and how we are the first kindergarten chain in India to adopt the EYFS curriculum. We are indeed proud to do that. Our teachers have gone through immense training so that they will be able to understand Symphonics and EYFS curriculum. I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for selecting Podar Jumbo Kids. We are definitely the brain-based experts because we know how a child's brain develops and what kind of support and nurturing it requires in the early years. Welcome to Podar Jumbo Kids parents, and we are very proud that you have selected us as your child's foundation for lifelong learning. So you're going to have a very, very fruitful year with you and your child. Some activities in the immediate months that you can look forward to is a Sing with Parents session, where you'll come to know how the teacher does things in the class, the songs that she teaches your child, the concepts that she does with your child, how she talks to your child, so that you can do the same then at home. The second important event you can look forward to is Mud Day with daddies, where daddies can have fun playing in the mud. Mummies are welcome too, but it's very important that the daddies come along. And yes, the most awaited event, which will come in a few months, is Grandparents' Day, where you will see your child singing and dancing on the national anthem, on the national songs, on patriotic numbers. And it will really make you feel proud that this is how happy my child is at Podar Jumbo Kids. So welcome once again. I congratulate the entire team of this center, the head, the teachers, the staff, and all the support staff that will help make your child's experience at Podar Jumbo Kids full of learning, excitement, safety, security, and nurturing. At Podar Jumbo Kids, we stand for learning for life. So thank you and welcome to Podar Jumbo Kids.